Hey YouTube, it's FeliceHD. Welcome to the Primo Noir channel. I am coming to you with a quick tip on how to eliminate tenderheadedness, how to make an easy detangler from all natural products. And this is going to be a really quick video. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. And for those of you that are new here, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and share this video. I am going to share one of my industry tips on how to create your own all natural detangler. I have my spray bottle here, and I'm going to use this in the sink so that in case anything spills over. You want to use, and I recommend this brand just because, as you can see here, there's 100% pure natural. So let's go over here to the ingredients. Let's see. 100% organic rose water. So for those of you that are wondering why I'm pointing that out, I always recommend that you look for hair products and skin products, any type of things that you buy to care for yourself, to always look at the ingredients and try to find items that have short ingredients list. 1 item, 2 items, something very minimal. So we want to put, let's say, you want to really kind of get your ratio like somewhere between 1/2 and 1/3. So that's pretty decent. I'll just put the rest in there. Yeah, I got a lively bunch. All right, so there we go. We're gonna pour the water in there. All right. Now, if you really want to amp it up, then you can include maybe some fresh aloe gel. I wouldn't mix any oils with it, just because you can apply oil to your hair separately. I just wouldn't mix the water and the oil like that. So you make sure that you spray this on your hair maybe 1 to 2 minutes before. And it gives it an amazing scent. 1 to 2 minutes before, there we go. 1 to 2 minutes before you're going to detangle your hair. And I wouldn't use this with any conditioners anyway. Maybe just do, when you have your conditioners in, do the initial come through. And then right before, you can use this as a leave-in, or you can mix in one of your favorite leave-ins if you choose to, if you really want to amp it up. I sometimes include aloe gel, or if you include the aloe gel, make sure you refrigerate it whenever you're not using it. And then if you want to amp it up, you could put maybe some, you could soak maybe some flax seeds or some chia seeds down in there and refrigerate it as well. So, did you see how simple that was? Actually taking the best care of your hair and making sure that your hair is so manageable and so radiant. It's actually not as hard as you think it is. So you guys try it out. Leave a comment down below and let me know how it works out for you, those of you that are struggling with tender heads. And also, I want to make you aware of our brand new product. So make sure you check it out. Our hair growth formula is on the website now. I'll include the link down below. Make sure you get yours because we've seen amazing results with it. And it's great for the winter for those of you that have your wigs, your weaves, your protective styles, your braid downs. It's excellent. So make sure you check it out and get yours. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe and share this video, you guys, because I'm going to keep posting helpful tips for you to take the best care of your hair. And till next time.
You might catch an L or come cross some ice. You might end up broken, have to pay the price. You might end up rich the next road. You could lose your life. I'm down to break the law like Madoff.
Organics and Botanical promotes healthy living through urban farming and all natural hair and skincare products designed for you to grow the longest, thickest hair, brows, and lashes possible. Join our referral program to earn cash, commissions, and bonuses. Text now for your free consultation or use the discount code PNBOGO for a 2-for-1 on all botanicals.